When it comes to storage, there never seems to be enough space.
These cardboard boxes and plastic bins take up too much room, and it's hard to find the things I want. Well, now I can store up to 4 times more in the same space with the new Vacuum Seal Space Saver Tote from Spacebag. I can easily store all this bedding in one single tote. Here's how they work. Unfold the tote and open up the built-in vacuum seal bag. Then pack your bedding, pillows, and bulky items inside. Seal the airtight zipper, then simply vacuum out the air through the patented one-way valve. Now you can store them in so many places, in the closet, in the basement, the attic, and garage. Spacebag vacuum seal totes are guaranteed to lock out dirt, bugs, and moisture.
Your items stay protected inside Spacebag's watertight bag. And later when you need it, everything comes right back to life, as fresh and clean as the day you put it in. Spacebag totes feature rigid sides so they stack neatly and a see-through window for easy organizing.
Plus, they're attractive enough to store in plain sight. You can find the new Vacuum Seal Tote from Spacebag at retail stores nationwide, but you can only get this special offer on TV. Call now and we'll send you our new Vacuum Seal Space Saver Tote for only $19.95.
And as a special bonus,
We'll also send you 2 of our medium Spacebag storage packs designed to fit drawers and closet shelves. But that's not all. You'll also get 2 of our large Spacebag storage packs, ideal for storing seasonal clothing or bulky sweaters. You get all this, a $47 value, for just $19.95. Plus, it comes with our unconditional money-back guarantee. Think small, think safe, think Spacebag.